Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Canon FD 28mm 2.8. If you've been following me for long enough, you'll probably remember that a little more than a year ago I posted 2 reviews of Canon FD lenses that I had borrowed from a friend, and since then I've been looking for some FDs of my own. More or less a month ago I stumbled upon this, a Canon FD with an FD 28mm 2.8 lens on it. It looked fine, it seems to work fine, so I bought it for 35 euros, which is a fairly decent price for lens and camera. And by the way, the camera seems to be working perfectly, all the mechanics and everything seems to be fine. I've cleaned it a little bit, just to remove some dust and grime that has accumulated over the years, and in the hopefully near future I will try it and load some film in it and try the camera, see what kind of images I can get with this camera. But for now it's just getting more dust on it, but soon enough. Anyway, I didn't buy it for the camera, I bought it for the lens, because again, if you remember, if you've already watched the older reviews, I've come to really like Canon FD lenses. They are small, compact, lightweight, well built, and produce a really good image. But this time I was a little bit unlucky. I didn't have the chance to properly inspect the lens, and when I got home I found out that it has some mold. So I decided to try and disassemble it to clean the internal elements. And well, it turned out pretty fine. The mold is not affecting the image quality or the colors, but I wanted to try and clean it up. Unfortunately, it has developed inside the front element between the 3 lenses, the 3 pieces of glass that make the front element, which are held together by a plastic jacket that cannot be dismounted and, most importantly, mounted back on the elements. So I cleaned it as much as possible, but there still is a little bit left. Again, it's not affecting image quality, so I don't really mind, and I shoot wide open most of the time, so yeah, you can really see it. Anyway, I've been using this for a while now, and I have to confirm once more that Canon FD lenses are good lenses. The image quality of this little guy is really good. It's on par, if not superior, to some of my modern lenses. So it's always a good buy, one of these lenses. But don't take my words for it. Let's have a quick look at some pictures and clips I shot with this lens. let's be honest here, we can talk about image quality, build quality, colors all day of these lenses, but at the end of the day, there's not much to be talked about because, yeah, they are good, clean lenses and they don't have much character of themselves. They don't have, I don't know, weird flares or swirly backgrounds. These are just plain, solid, cheap lenses. Good lenses. And that's why I like them. Took me more than a year to find one of these lenses in good conditions. And I'm keeping my eyes wide open for more. Because honestly, my idea right now is to try and build a kit with a few of these FD primes. Because, yeah, they're good and reliable. I'll keep saying that. But apparently they're not as common around here. So hopefully I'll find more. Wish me good luck. Right, I'm not gonna waste more of your time. I'm not gonna have you sit there and hear me rambling on for 15 minutes. So that's all. If you wanna see more, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Let me know your experiences with FD lenses and other lenses you want to see if I manage to buy them and find them. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye!